In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install the PayPal app. If you're currently using PayPal in your mobile browser and want quicker access from your home screen, this is a simple way to install it as an app-like experience. This method is especially useful if your browser gives you the option to install the page directly, so you can open PayPal more conveniently without typing the website each time. To begin, make sure you already have the PayPal page open in your browser. Once you're on the page, look to the top area of your browser and tap the three-dot menu. This menu usually contains extra browser options, settings, and tools. So if you don't see it right away, just check the upper corner of the screen. After opening that menu, look for the option called Cast, Save, and Share, and tap on it. Depending on your device or browser version, this section may group together sharing and installation features. Take your time here and make sure you select the correct option, because this is where the install feature is located. Next, find and tap Install Page as App. This option allows your browser to create a shortcut that behaves much like a regular app. In other words, it gives you a faster and more direct way to access PayPal from your device. This can make the experience feel cleaner and more convenient, especially if you use PayPal often. Once you tap that option, your device should show a confirmation prompt. Here, simply tap Install. This is the final step that tells your browser to place the PayPal app shortcut on your device. After a few moments, the installation should complete, and you should see the PayPal icon available for easy access. That's all it takes. You've now installed PayPal as an app from your browser. A helpful tip is to check your home screen or app list right after installation so you can confirm it was added successfully. If you don't see it immediately, give it a moment and then look again, since some devices take a few seconds to finish placing the icon. This method is quick, straightforward, and a great option if you want easier access to PayPal without searching for it in your browser every time. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get PayPal installed smoothly.